Hey folks, how's it going today? I'm pretty excited because I'm doing my first oil change on the 2016 GT3. May not seem exciting to some of you guys, pretty basic service, but let's go grab some coffee at one of my favorite spots and then we'll see you at the shop. So today we are fortunate enough to have our friends at FD Motorsports helping out with this oil service. Darren Pfister, the owner of FD Motorsports, recently acquired this 2016 GT3 RS. So let's admire his new toy as he backs it out to make room for our own GT3. Okay, so we're here at FD Motorsports, got the car up on the lift, so I'm going to go ahead and take the under tray off the car and then get to work on changing out the oil and talk to you afterwards. So we got the diffuser off, so now we just need to start draining the oil. There's 3 plugs to complete the oil change, the drainage, and then once we're done with that, we'll go ahead and remove the oil filter. Got all the oil drained, new filter in, so we're going to go ahead and start adding new oil to the car. So I'll be going slowly, 5 quarts at first, just to kind of go slow, and then incrementally adding some oil up to between 7 and 8 quarts until the indicator in the car says it's good. So yeah, let's get to work on that. So when I got the car, these lower parts of the front fender were torn up and I had to tape them because they were like literally hanging down. It just looked like they're crapped out. And I was gonna look into buying like the whole new fender, but it's like super expensive. But luckily I found these Motorsport off the Cup car version that you can go on, and just took a little bit of trimming, but able to get it on here. It looks way cleaner. I don't think it'll scrape as much, and yeah, so with the help of Darren here at FD Motorsports, was able to get this first one on. Had to trim the plastic a little bit because this is deeper, but we're able to do that, so we'll get to work on the second one. It should be all done. So if you look here, it doesn't want to quite fit up in here, and that's because this part right here is in the way, so we need to trim this. So you make a cut here and make a cut straight across like that. This little piece drops off and it fits perfectly flush. So Darren and I just got done doing an oil change on my 991.1 GT3. Thanks, Darren, for the help.
Absolutely.
Darren from FD Motorsports here in Brentwood.
Yeah, we got a nice little Porsche shop here, Indy shop. Do a lot of work on the air-cooled cars and some of the newer cars. Obviously, we're getting more into the GT3s and whatnot, as we have a shop car that's a GT3 now. We got a couple of lava cars here today, which is very cool. And if you got any questions, look me up on the web, FD Motorsports, and give us a call.
Cool, thank you. So that's it for this video. Thanks for sticking around. I know it wasn't mind-blowing rocket science or anything, but I hope that any of you wondering if working on your own Porsche is hard, you'll see that it's not intimidating at all. I'll be bringing you more DIY videos as we learn more about the 991.1 GT3, including performing a PDK and diff service later this year. So be sure to like and subscribe so that you don't miss anything. Thanks again for watching. Talk to you next time.